Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up MSRM US302 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the MSRM extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Let's start with the product unboxing. Inside the MSRM US302 Wi-Fi Extender box, you'll find the Wi-Fi Extender unit, a user manual for setup instructions, and a quick installation guide. Some packages may also include an Ethernet cable for wired connections. Now insert the MSRM US302 extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Locate the WPS button on your router, usually on the back or side. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 seconds. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press and hold the WPS button on the extender for 5 to 6 seconds. The LED light will start blinking, indicating it is connecting. Once the LED turns solid, the extender is successfully connected to your router. Unplug the extender and move it to a location where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure it's within range of your router's signal for optimal performance. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.